What if the foods that keep you full, protect your muscles, and make healthy eating easier were also naturally low in carbohydrates and sugar? Many people try to increase protein but unknowingly add sweet sauces, breading, and processed ingredients that change the entire meal. Today you will discover 12 powerful foods that deliver serious protein with almost no carbs and no sugar. These foods can help you build more satisfying meals, support recovery, maintain lean muscle, and reduce the urge to snack between meals. Some are perfect for breakfast, others take only minutes to prepare, and several can stay ready in your pantry. Stay until the end, because one convenient option may become the easiest way to improve your daily protein intake. For lasting fullness and complete nutrition, eggs are one of the simplest high-protein foods you can choose. They provide all 9 essential amino acids, along with choline, vitamin B12, selenium, and nutrients that support the brain and eyes. Because eggs contain almost no carbohydrates and no sugar, they can form the foundation of a satisfying breakfast, lunch, or light evening meal. Eggs are also incredibly flexible, which makes them easier to eat consistently. You can boil them for a portable snack, scramble them with vegetables, or prepare an omelet with herbs and lean meat. Whole eggs provide valuable nutrients from the yolk, while egg whites allow you to increase protein further without adding much fat, sugar, or carbohydrates. The main thing to watch is what you serve with them. Sugary ketchup, processed bread, sweetened breakfast drinks, and heavily refined sides can turn a naturally low-carb meal into something very different. Keep the preparation simple with herbs, black pepper, spinach, mushrooms, or tomatoes, and eggs can become one of the easiest protein anchors in your weekly routine. For lean muscle support without unnecessary carbohydrates, chicken breast remains one of the most reliable foods available. It provides a concentrated amount of complete protein while containing virtually no carbs or sugar when prepared plainly. Its mild taste also makes it easy to combine with vegetables, salads, soups, or low-carb side dishes without making healthy meals feel repetitive. Chicken breast can be grilled, baked, roasted, or air-fried, and each method can work well when the seasoning stays simple. Garlic, paprika, lemon, black pepper, herbs, and a small amount of olive oil can create plenty of flavor without added sugar. Preparing several portions at once also makes it much easier to build quick, high-protein meals during busy workdays. The real problem is usually not the chicken itself, but the ingredients added around it. Breaded coatings, barbecue sauce, honey marinades, and bottled glazes can quickly introduce refined carbohydrates and sugar. Read labels carefully, choose unsweetened seasonings, and pair the chicken with broccoli, green beans, cabbage, or salad to keep the meal balanced and satisfying. For satisfying meals that remain light and low in carbohydrates, turkey breast is an excellent protein choice. Plain roasted turkey provides complete protein with almost no carbs or sugar, helping support muscle maintenance and physical recovery. Its slightly different flavor can also add useful variety when you eat chicken regularly and want another lean option that works across many meals. Turkey breast can be roasted with rosemary, garlic, lemon, thyme, or black pepper, then sliced and used throughout the week. Add it to salads, lettuce wraps, vegetable bowls, or a simple plate with roasted vegetables. Because it is naturally mild, it absorbs seasoning easily and can fit into breakfast, lunch, or dinner without requiring complicated recipes. Fresh turkey is usually a better choice than heavily processed deli slices. Some packaged varieties contain added starch, sugar, preservatives, and excessive sodium, so the ingredient list matters. Look for products with minimal ingredients and no sweetened glaze. Choosing plain roasted turkey protects the low-carb benefit while still giving you a convenient and filling protein source. For protein combined with heart-friendly fats, salmon is one of the most valuable foods you can eat. It provides complete protein with almost no carbohydrates or sugar, while also supplying omega-3 fatty acids that support the heart and brain. This combination makes salmon especially satisfying and useful for people who want a nourishing meal that does not feel dry, bland, or restrictive. Salmon can be baked, grilled, pan-cooked, or air-fried with lemon, garlic, dill, parsley, or black pepper. Pair it with broccoli, asparagus, leafy greens, or cauliflower for a simple meal that delivers protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Fresh, frozen, and canned salmon can all be useful, so choose the version that fits your budget and daily routine. The main caution is the sauce. Sticky glazes, sweet teriyaki, maple marinades, and bottled dressings can add a surprising amount of sugar to a naturally low-carb food. Keep the flavors bright but simple, and let the salmon itself remain the center of the meal. Even 1 or 2 servings each week can add useful variety to your overall protein intake. For fast protein when you have almost no time to cook, tuna is one of the easiest foods to keep available. It provides a large amount of protein with virtually no sugar and almost no carbohydrates, while remaining relatively low in calories. A simple can of tuna can quickly transform a small salad or plate of vegetables into a much more substantial and satisfying meal. Choose tuna packed in water or olive oil, and combine it with lemon, cucumber, celery, herbs, avocado, or a small amount of plain yogurt. You can also add it to lettuce wraps or serve it beside sliced vegetables for a quick lunch. Because no cooking is required, tuna can be especially helpful on busy days when convenience would otherwise lead to a less nutritious choice. Sweet relish, sugary dressings, and heavily processed sandwich fillings can add unnecessary carbohydrates, so keep the ingredients simple. Tuna is highly convenient, but it is better to rotate it with salmon, sardines, eggs, and poultry, rather than depending on it every day. Variety supports a broader nutrient intake and keeps your meals from becoming repetitive. For powerful nutrition in a small and affordable package, sardines are difficult to beat. They provide high-quality protein, omega-3 fats, vitamin D, selenium, and calcium when the soft edible bones are included. Sardines contain almost no carbohydrates or sugar, and because they are commonly canned, they can stay in your pantry until you need a fast and nutritious meal. If the strong flavor feels unfamiliar, begin by adding a small amount to a salad with lemon, parsley, cucumber, and tomatoes. You can also mash sardines with avocado or sugar-free mustard and serve them with crisp vegetables. Their rich taste means you do not need a large portion to make a meal more satisfying, protein-rich, and nutritionally complete. Select sardines packed in water or olive oil and inspect flavored sauces carefully. Some tomato mixtures, marinades, and specialty varieties may contain added sugar or unnecessary fillers. Once you find a simple version you enjoy, sardines can become one of the most affordable ways to add protein, healthy fats, and important minerals to your weekly eating routine. For a light meal that still provides plenty of protein, cod is an excellent choice. This mild white fish contains almost no carbohydrates or sugar and is naturally lower in fat than salmon or sardines. Because its flavor is gentle, cod works well for people who want the nutritional benefits of seafood without a strong fish taste or an overly rich and heavy meal. Cod cooks quickly and absorbs herbs and spices easily. Bake it with lemon, garlic, parsley, and a small amount of olive oil, or season it with paprika and black pepper before cooking it in a pan. Serve it with zucchini, cabbage, green beans, cauliflower, or a fresh salad, and you have a simple high-protein dinner that takes very little preparation. Breaded fillets, creamy sauces, and sweet marinades can quickly change the nutritional profile of cod. Choose plain fillets whenever possible and add flavor yourself. This gives you control over the carbohydrates, sugar, and sodium while preserving the qualities that make cod so useful. Lean protein, mild taste, quick cooking, and easy pairing with vegetables. For lean protein that can be prepared in only a few minutes, shrimp is one of the most convenient seafood options. Plain shrimp contains very little carbohydrate, practically no sugar, and a generous amount of protein. It also provides selenium and vitamin B12, nutrients involved in normal energy metabolism, red blood cell formation, and several other important body processes. Sauté shrimp with garlic, herbs, chili, and fresh lemon, then add it to vegetables, salads, lettuce wraps, or cauliflower rice. Because shrimp cooks so quickly, it can turn a simple collection of vegetables into a complete meal in less time than many packaged foods require. Frozen shrimp can be especially useful because it stays ready whenever you need a fast dinner. The biggest nutritional problem is usually the coating or sauce, rather than the shrimp itself. Breaded shrimp, sweet chili sauce, honey garlic glaze, and sugary marinades can quickly increase the carbohydrate content. Keep the preparation simple. Check packaged seasonings carefully, and shrimp can remain a light, flavorful, and highly practical source of protein. For strength, iron, and long-lasting satisfaction, lean beef provides far more than protein alone. It contains complete protein together with iron, zinc, vitamin B12, and other nutrients that support oxygen transport, immune function, and normal energy production. Plain beef contains virtually no carbohydrates or sugar, making it a powerful addition to a balanced low-carb meal. Choose leaner cuts, such as sirloin, tenderloin, or extra lean ground beef, and keep the portion appropriate for your needs. Grill, roast, or pan-cook it with garlic, herbs, pepper, cumin, or paprika, instead of sugary sauces. Pair it with roasted vegetables or salad, and the meal can feel substantial without requiring bread, fries, or other refined side dishes. Beef does not need to be eaten every day to provide meaningful nutritional benefits. Rotating it with fish, poultry, eggs, and other protein sources can help create more variety while keeping saturated fat intake reasonable. The goal is not to make beef the entire diet, but to use lean portions strategically as one satisfying option within a balanced weekly routine. For rich flavor and complete protein, lean lamb can bring welcome variety to a low-carb eating routine. It provides protein together with iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, while containing almost no carbohydrates or sugar when served plainly. Because lamb naturally has a stronger taste than chicken or turkey, even a moderate portion can make a meal feel deeply satisfying and enjoyable. Choose trimmed cuts such as lamb leg or loin, and remove visible excess fat when you prefer a lighter meal. Season it with rosemary, cumin, garlic, lemon, mint, or black pepper, then serve it with roasted vegetables or a fresh salad. These simple flavors complement lamb naturally, so there is no need to rely on thick sauces or sweetened marinades. This keeps the meal flavorful and simple. Sweet mint sauces, sugary glazes, and heavily processed marinades can add carbohydrates that are not naturally present in the meat. Check the ingredients or prepare the seasoning yourself. Lean lamb can be an occasional change of pace that keeps your menu interesting while still giving you complete protein, important minerals, and almost no sugar. This makes it easy to fit into a balanced, low-carb meal. For a light protein source that also provides important minerals, real crab meat is an excellent seafood option. It contains very little carbohydrate and almost no sugar while supplying protein, vitamin B12, selenium, copper, and zinc. Its delicate flavor makes it useful in salads, lettuce wraps, or simple seafood bowls when you want something different from chicken, fish, or beef. Combine genuine crab meat with lemon, herbs, cucumber, celery, avocado, or a small amount of sugar-free mayonnaise. It can be served chilled in a salad or gently warmed with vegetables for a light dinner. Because crab is naturally flavorful, it needs very little preparation, making it an elegant but surprisingly simple way to increase protein without adding many carbohydrates. The important word is real because imitation crab often contains starch, fillers, and added sugar. Breaded crab cakes and sweet sauces may also contain far more carbohydrates than expected. Read the label carefully and choose plain crab meat whenever possible. That small decision preserves the natural benefits and keeps the meal genuinely high in protein and low in sugar. For convenient protein when preparing a complete meal is not possible, unsweetened whey protein isolate can be extremely useful. A high-quality isolate provides a concentrated amount of protein with very little carbohydrate or sugar, because most of the lactose has been removed. It can be especially practical after exercise, during busy mornings, or when your daily protein intake is falling short. Mix whey protein, isolate with water, ice, or unsweetened almond milk instead of sweetened beverages. You can also blend it with plain yogurt or use a small amount in a low-sugar breakfast when you need more protein. Its greatest advantage is convenience, but the product should support a balanced eating routine rather than replace every complete meal you would normally eat. Choose a product with a short ingredient list and check carefully for added sugar, maltodextrin, syrups, and heavily sweetened flavor blends. Whole foods generally provide greater satisfaction and a broader range of nutrients, but a quality isolate can be a useful backup. Used wisely, it helps close protein gaps without adding a large amount of carbs or sugar. You do not need to eat all 12 foods to benefit from this list. Choose 3 or 4 options that match your taste, budget, and schedule, then use them consistently. You might eat eggs at breakfast, chicken or tuna at lunch, and salmon or lean beef at dinner. The goal is not perfection, it is making protein easier to include without depending on sugar or refined carbohydrates. Now tell me in the comments, which of these high-protein foods do you already eat every week, and which one will you add first? Your answer may help another viewer discover an affordable and convenient place to begin. And if this video helped make high-protein eating feel simpler, subscribe to Healthy Grams and turn on notifications for more powerful everyday foods. Remember, better nutrition is not built from one perfect meal. It is built from the foods you continue choosing when life becomes busy. Start with one reliable protein source, prepare it in a simple way, and build the rest of your meal around it. Small choices repeated consistently can support stronger muscles, better fullness, steadier energy, and healthier weight management over time.